Sterling installations are based in Wellingborough, covering Wellingborough, Northampton, Milton Keynes and surrounding villages. We are a commercial and industrial gas company. We also cover oil and renewables. We were approached by Vizion Network as we had a long-standing relationship with them. They trust us and trust our judgment. They were having a significant amount of investment in the building and were looking to upgrade the boilers that they knew were becoming obsolete. The project was really interesting for us as a company due to logistical issues of actually being able to get the old boilers out of the loft plant room and getting the new boilers in. We came up with an action plan of cutting an access hatch in the ceiling on the 3rd floor with a custom-made steel gantry to be able to lift the old boilers out. Due to the restricted height room in the plant room, a frame and skid unit for the Evo Maxes just wasn't viable. So with the help of Ideal Commercial, it was chosen to fit Imax Xtras. They were a floor standing boiler, so that gave us the height and the headroom that we needed to be able to fit the flues above the boilers. The Ideal Imax Xtra is a fantastic boiler. They were chosen from advice given by Ideal Technical. It's very robust and will suit older heating systems where low water temperatures cannot necessarily be achieved. We have worked with Ideal Commercial for a number of years now, and we have a fantastic working relationship with Ideal and also with our local rep. They cannot do enough for you as an engineer because their ethos is without the engineers, they don't have a business. We pride ourselves in the quality of work that we provide and the service that we provide to the customer. But that service can only be provided with the quality of the product that we are installing. So it was really a no-brainer for us that Ideal Commercial would be the boilers that we would choose to fit.